All right, I won a wig here from TikTok from Stacy's story. Now, if you're not familiar with Stacy's story, please go check them out. It is an amazing, amazing small company that has recently started, and I'm excited to be part of this. Stacy's story's mission is to inspire, empower, and ignite. So let's get ready and open up this package. Now, when I was contacted to let me know that I was the winner, I reached out and said, is there somebody else who would be worthy of winning this? Because I feel at the time, and even now, I have more than enough wigs, and I was honored to win, but I want this to go to somebody who really needs it. So that being said, let's open this up. So here's a beautiful card, Stacy's story. In the back it says, "Hi Brenda, congratulations on the 12 days of sleigh. Wishing you everything happy this holiday season. I also included an extra ZOE for you to gift to someone. Inspire, empower, ignite. Love, Stacy." Stacy, I didn't realize at the time what you had said when you said that you were going to send two. I completely bypassed it somehow. So my heart is full, and I am so excited and honored to be able to share this forward. Okay, so inside we have two of these wig caps. They're the disposable wig caps. There is a piece of jewelry. I'm assuming, oh, this is a hair clip, ponytail thing. And there's also a floral hair clip. Okay, so inside here, you guys are seeing this with me. There's one and there is two. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Christmas bag one because I want the person who's going to have the opportunity to win this have the beautiful bag that it comes with. Okay, let's open up this beautiful bag. Oh, it's actually in another bag. Okay, well, they still get the bag then, and so do I. So let's undo this. So Stacy's story, again, inspire, empower, and ignite. I am so excited. So for those of you, I was tagged in the sleigh. I was tagged in that by Mama Sue, and from there I shared it and posted about it as well, and I happen to be the winner of this one. So you guys, this is ZOE, and she is in the color Burnt Sand. Let's put her on. Okay, first off, let's take a look at the cap construction so you guys can see what this is all about. Looks like it's a 13 by 6. Look at that. Look at that lace space. You have combs at each ear. There is a comb at the nape, a wide comb actually, so very nice to fit, very nice and snug back there. A slightly extended nape, and you have an added strap, and it is close wefted. So let's put ZOE on. You guys, this is beautiful. So as you can see, I haven't even cut the lace because we just literally took this out of the bag. Let's take a look at ZOE from all sides. Here's the front, left, back, right, and front. Oh, she's so pretty. I'm gonna grab my brush. Let's just wake up these fibers. Oh, you guys, so pretty. The coloring, the density. And with this being a 13 by 6, you're going to be able to part this wherever you want. Okay, so I like to do a left to right. Some people like to do a right to left. So let's get that showing. Either way, or even dead center like it comes, she's gorgeous. Let's take a look at the density. Look at a tag here. That's a very nice natural density. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Stacy, thank you so much. I am going to work on my gift away, and so please keep watching for one of you to be able to win this beautiful ZOE in, what was the color again? Burnt sand. She's beautiful. So yeah, so please keep watching. I will be creating my gift away right away. And so start thinking of someone who you feel would be a wonderful recipient of this beautiful gift. And this is going to be for my Canadian only ladies, just because the tariffs and the shipping, and I've already paid tariffs on this, so let's just do it for Canadian only. And I can hardly wait, you guys. So I love you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And again, Stacy from Stacy's Stories, bless you, and I wish you nothing but the best in your endeavor, your small business, and please keep sharing your mission of inspire, empower, and ignite. From Stacy's Story.